You can see the video, no? Yes, the earth. Yes, this is our earth, planet. Yes, class 6. The earth in the solar system. This is our new chapter. Okay? Full moon night or Purnima. The full moon is the lunar phase when the moon appears fully illuminated from Earth's perspective. This occurs when Earth is located between the sun and the moon. Yes, full moon night or Purnima. The full moon is the lunar phase when the moon appears fully illuminated from Earth's perspective. This occurs when Earth is located between the sun and the moon. You can see the image? Yes, full moon. Rishik Manoj, I will clear your doubt. Next is new moon night or Amavasya. The new moon marks the beginning of the lunar cycle, the movement of the moon through its different phases. New moon night or Amavasya. The new moon marks the beginning of the lunar cycle, the movement of the moon through its different phases. Rakesh, I'll clear your doubt. Yes, you can see the image. Next, celestial bodies. A celestial body is any natural body outside of the Earth's atmosphere. For example, the moon, the sun, and the other planets of our solar system. Celestial bodies. A celestial body is any natural body outside of the Earth's atmosphere. Easy examples are the moon, sun, and the other planets of our solar system. Next one, you can see the image of celestial bodies. Yes. Next is stars. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light. A celestial body which emits its own heat and light is called a star. The sun is an example of star. Once more, star. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light. A celestial body which emits its own heat and light is called a star. And a sun is an example for the star. You can see the image? Yes. Night you can see twinkling stars. No? Yes. Next is constellation. A constellation is a group of stars that forms an imaginary outline or pattern on the celestial sphere. Typically represent an animal, mythological person or creature, a god or inanimate object. Constellation, once more. A constellation is a group of stars that forms an imaginary outline or pattern on the celestial sphere. Albin, I'll clear your doubt. Typically represent an animal, mythologically person or creature, a god or inanimate object. Okay, you can see some images of constellations. Yes, see Ursa Major, Leo Minor. Yes, yeah, these are the examples of the constellation. Cancer, this is the image, okay? Libra, you can see. Ursa Major. See, it is a shape of like a spoon. Yes. Next is Ursa Major, the Big Dipper. Yes, it's a shape like a bear. Yes. Pole star. The pole star is a star that is known to retain its position in the sky always. We can locate the position of the pole star with the help of the constellation Saptarishi. Once more, pole star. The pole star is a star that is known to retain its position in the sky always. We can locate the position of the pole star with the help of the constellation Saptarishi. Okay? Pole star. You can see the image. This is the image of pole star. Okay? Next. Planets. A celestial body which revolves around a particular star in an orbit and gets all its light from that star is called a planet. Earth is a planet. Sean, yes, I'll clear your doubt. Once more, planets. A celestial body which revolves around a particular star in an orbit and get all its light from that star is called a planet. Earth is a planet. It's an example. Okay? Shriya? A friend? Yes, I cleared out. The word planet comes from the Greek word planetai, which means wanderers. Yes. What is that? The word planet comes from the Greek word. It emerged from the Greek word that is planetai, which means wanderers. So the definition once more we'll see. Planets, a celestial body which revolves around a particular star in an orbit and gets all its light from that star, is called a planet. Earth is a planet. It's an example. You can see the images of, yes, this is one image, okay, of planets. Words to know, we will go, we'll check on to the next, okay. Wait a minute. So based on this, there is a video presentation, okay? Just go through this video also. The Earth in the solar system. Full moon night or Purnima. Yes. Okay, wait a minute. New moon night is called Amavasya, where you on the sky you can't see It will be dark and yes. Yes, millions of galaxies. They did not twinkle and just glowed steadily. These celestial bodies are called wandering stars. Celestial bodies have their own heat and light. You can see the night sky. Yes, see? These are known as constellations, different images or patterns you can see. Small bear or Saptarishi. Sapta, 7, Rishi, sages. Sun and celestial bodies which form solar system. Solar system consists of planets, moons, comets, asteroids, meteoroids and meteorites. Yes, you can see in the solar system. These objects are held together in the solar system due to sun's gravitational pull. Planets reflect sunlight that is incident on them. They have no light of their own, so they don't twinkle like the stars. Yes. See, we are not going in detail solar system because that is the next topic for the next class. Okay. So, from the textbook, I have taken two that is pages for today's session. Okay. Based on that, we will move on to the words to know. That is words to know. Okay, you can see celestial bodies. This you can just go through your textbook. A celestial body is any natural body outside of the Earth's atmosphere. Examples: the moon, the sun and the other planets of our solar system. Stars. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light. A celestial body which emits its own heat and light is called a star. The sun is an example of star. Example is star. Here you can Just go through this words to know which is there in your textbook. So for star, example is sun. Next is constellation. A constellation is a group of stars that forms an imaginary outline or a pattern on the celestial sphere. Typically represent an animal, mythological person or creature, a god or an inanimate object. Alia Fatima. Okay, I'll clear the doubt, Alia. Just WhatsApp me, okay? Your audio is not clear, okay? Yes, I have to move on to the next topic. Planet. Planet, a celestial body which revolves around a particular star in an orbit and gets all its light from the star, is called a planet. Example, Earth. Planet, a celestial body which revolves around a particular star in an orbit and gets all its light from the star, is called a planet. Example is our planet Earth. Now, this is activities to be done based on today's topic. Make a model of constellation. You might have seen the images of Ursa Major and all, no? I'll show you once more. Zayan? Yeah, I'll just clear your doubt. See, you have to make a model of constellation. Example, Ursa Major. Materials required is black chart paper. It is available in the shops. Star sequence, acrylic white paint, silver or white markers, glue. So that you can, now you are in the home, no? So you can just prepare these model and keep it. And when the reopening time, you can just bring it and we can display for social science exhibition and all. Yes, Albin, I'll clear your doubt. You want to see the images of Ursa Major? See, if you prepare like this on a black, it will be easy visible. Yes, so you can use black chart paper to make Ursa Major, Cancer, Libra. See this image also you can see. Yes. So background is black color. It will be very visible using this white marker or white paint you can use, and you can stick on some shining stars, sequence and all. So it will represent like a star. Duti, I'll clear it out. Ursa Major, you can see you can do it like this. So any one you can prepare. If anyone is interested, you can prepare more. So there is only one activity for today's topic. Okay? Okay. Yeah, this is our chapter. No, you can see. Yes. There is one more activity on your textbook. You can just go through it and you can do it at home. I'll just read out. You will need is one torch, one sheet of plain paper, pencil and a needle. Place the torch in the center of the paper with its glass from touching the paper. Now draw a circle around the torch. Perforate the paper with the needle within the circled area. Now place the perforated circle part of the paper on the glass front and wrap the paper around the torch with a rubber band. Take care that the switch of the torch is not covered. So you should do it in a dark room. In a dark room, stand at some distance facing a plain wall. Switch off all other lights. Now flash the torchlight on the wall. You will see numerous dots of light on the wall. like stars shine in the night. So you can just have an image, or you can do it in a dark room. So you can see some stars like images. Switch on the lights in the rooms, all dots of light will be almost invisible. You may now compare the situation with what happens to the bright objects of the night sky after the sun rises in the morning. Yes. So, today we have gone through this chapter. The first we have discussed the full moon night or Purnima, then new moon night or Amavasya. Then next is, I'll just go through this points what is discussed in your textbook. You can see, please keep, while in online classes now, you should keep your textbook along with you. If it is, you have brought it. Otherwise, you can just go through this online class also. Full moon night or Purnima. A fortnight later, you can see it all. It is a new moon night or Amavasya. Constellation later we'll see. Celestial bodies. The sun, the moon and all those objects shining in the night sky are called the celestial bodies. The sun, the moon and all those objects shining in the night sky are called the celestial bodies. Next is stars. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. Yes, they are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light which they emit in large amounts. These celestial bodies are called stars. So, example is sun. Yes, so sun is so hot that nobody can go near to that. Then you can see constellation, next page, okay? While watching the night sky, you may notice various patterns formed by different group of stars. These are called constellations. Ursa Major or Big Bear is one such constellation. That is an example. Yes, Alia, Fatima. Yes, it is mostly easily recognizable constellation is Saptarishi. Sapta means 7. Sapta means 7. It's a Hindi word, okay? Then Rishi means sages. Dhananjay, I'll clear your doubt. Next one. It is a group of 7 stars that forms a part of Ursa Major constellation. Saptarishi, okay? Pole star. The North Star, in ancient times, people used to determine directions during the night with the help of stars. The North Star indicates the north direction. It is also called the pole star. It always remains in the same position in the sky. We can locate the position of the pole star with the help of the Saptarishi. Then, that is, next is topic we discussed is planets. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of the stars. Such bodies are called the planets. Now we can see from how planets, the planet particular word emerged. The word planet comes from the Greek word. Yes, it emerged from the Greek word which means planetai. Planetai, which means wanderers. Which means wanderers. The earth on which we live is a planet. So, where we are staying, we breathe, we live, animals, water, everything you can see on earth. It gets all its heat and light from the sun. Where we get heat and light? We get heat and light from the sun, which is our nearest star also. If we look at the earth from a great distance, say the moon, it will appear to be shining just as the moon. The moon that we see in the sky is a satellite. So, the moon that we see from like in the sky is a satellite. It is a companion of our earth and moves round it. It is a companion of earth and moves round it. Like our earth, there are 7 other planets that get heat and light from the sun. Some of them have their moons too also. That examples I'll give you. Yes, Malon, Sauni, I'll clear doubt. Solar system, is the next topic we will discuss in the next class. Okay. Now, based on today's topic, I'll show you this one, a video. No, quiz session is also there. Okay, quiz session. This video also you can see. After that, we will move on to the yes, this is a 3D image. I think it's clear. You didn't get your social studies textbook. It will be getting soon, okay? You can see the image of Earth. Yes. It's in a 3D image, okay? This is how the Earth appears in the night, okay? Can see? Yeah, so today's, based on today's topic, there will be a quiz session, okay? I know you can't answer it, I'll just go through it, okay? But try to answer it, okay? Can see? Afrin. Afrin? You have any doubt, Afrin? You don't have, you want to say the answer? Okay, just tell me the answer. I'll read out the question, okay? Yeah, we can see full moon once a month and that night is called as dash. Who can say? Say the name. Say the name. Say the name. Purnima. Oh, okay, Alia Fatima, answer is Purnima. Okay, let me check. Yes, it is correct. Avinash. Okay. Purnima is also called as dash. Who can say? Purnima is also called as dash. Who said the answer? Please mention your name. Okay, Alia. Give chance to others. Yeah, full moon night. Okay? Okay. Okay, next question. Just hold on. The sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the night sky are called dash. Okay, tell me, Alia, just who is saying the answer? Please mention your name. Who said that one? Diya Deepu. Celestial bodies. Correct. Very good. Okay, next question. Celestial bodies that have their own heat and which emit light in large amounts is called as Nitya. Sunil, say the answer. Nitya. Okay, Nitya. Nitya. Say the answer. Stars. Answer is stars. Okay, the last question. While watching the night sky, various patterns formed by different groups of stars are called as? Anyone? Gokul? Okay, let me check. Its answer. Where is that? Yes, last. Yeah, the answer is correct, Gokul. Congrats. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed today's class. Okay. So try to do the activity. Okay. Try to do the activity, and this activity, I will upload in the WhatsApp. So you can just go through the activity, the question, okay? I hope you will go through today. So the page that is in your textbook, it is there. Okay. 15 minutes break is there. And we'll meet you soon tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, dear.